Hello guys, this is Jam speaking from the gardens. We are doing this cleaning at this house that had been abandoned a few years ago during the COVID. So this is our volunteer project. Let's see what we're going to do and how many weeks we're going to finish this big property. But a very beautiful house that nobody occupied. This is the house. Look, overgrown by vegetation. Look at that. Maybe 2 weeks we will done it. Thank you very much.
Nè kia nó ta lên cái bắt nhầm cho plai cắt từ mò cá này nó cái bắt này mất tí à vo lên thằng này nhầm phó kim số tao 30 tí hơn nè mẹ tao kêu xây của cái tên cô kêu bên phương ha nhắm hạp lấy phải mặt đó cô kêu nó khang lắm nhắm chua thằng bốn pháo cả mấy đây phải mặt đó phải mặt đó phải thằng mà chơi với cái bàn đá đuôi nha bây giờ lười
Guys, this is the beehive. They sting me a few days ago. Even I'm not going to hurt the beehive. Let them stay here. This is like a beehive sanctuary. Now it's all ready for them to be fly away. Look at a lot of honey, very sweet. Look, very sweet. So sweet as the honey, like your first love. First love, so sweet like honey. This is a bee look like. They're so sweet. You know, they're going to create a lot of baby. They want to sting me a few days ago. Look. Hello, my friend. Stop hurting me. Okay, bye bye. See you again. My friend, this is what we have done. Look, almost finished. Yeah, good job. Look, you see, this is behind the house. So look, this is we're going to do in next few days. Okay, thank you. Follow me. Why not happy? This is the grandma, 85 years old. She's so happy. We have helped her to clean up her house. I very appreciate. Thank you. Bye bye.